Hi guys, review tayo sa aking munting Inmax upgrade. So ito na ang aking Inmax upgrade guys. Yan na guys. Yan. So ito, i-share ko lang yung Inmax modification. Pure stock lang to, pure stock yung specs nya sa engine. Yan, ayan guys, built by The Boy Pimentel. Siya yung nag-tuning dito. Yan, yan yung tune with kabilsitan. Ito kabilsitan yan, wiring ng kabilsitan. Daming wire guys. Yan, kabilsitan Race Pro. Yun, doon yung wire sa ilalim, inayos ni The Boy. So pure stock with QYB Elite, same size ng Aerox shock QYB. So sobrang soft ng kuha nyo guys, ng shock nya. So ito built by, nabili ko tong QYB sa Shopee, 13,500. Tapos yung ating swing arm customized by Defy Custom, pati yung mags natin yan, chrome bore. Ito guys yung aking stock pipe na to guys. Yan, specs ng aking Inmax. So naka 2-pot na R15 caliper, 2-pot guys, with Swift original hose. Swift original hose to. Yan guys, chrome bore. Yan. Tapos ang ating Atom Night Repair Plus. Yan, lalim yun guys, yung ating Atom. Yun lang yung upgrade natin. Yan guys, yan yung mugs by Defy Custom. Tapos ang ating side mirror bracket, Go Works side mirror bracket. Tapos ang ating original na Carbon Republic original carbon. Yan, original carbon. Ayan, original carbon guys, original carbon. Tapos ang ating quick lever Moritech yung quick lever natin na adjuster dito. Yan, tapos naka titanium gold. Yan, ang ating bracket is original RAM. Yan guys, so umabot na tayo dito, almost 200,000 gastos natin sa upgrade natin ng accessories. Yan, so nakakabilsitan Race Pro. Yan guys, kabilsitan Race Pro to. Tapos ang ating ating original na damper ng quad lock. Yan, yun lang guys, upgrade ng ating motor to. Tingnan nyo yan, super ganda ng upgrade guys. Parang kailan lang naka-upgrade yan. Fisherman Motovlog, please like and subscribe by Fisherman Motovlog WF CBT pole set. Yan, yung CBT natin, naka WF tayo. So yun lang guys, sana masaya tayo sa konting upgrade natin. Okay, bye.